Cyber Monday. If you missed my Black Friday special, well, here's your second chance to take advantage of my new mini course, Flip My First House, for those who have been struggling to flip or wholesale their first house without using cash or credit, and those who are struggling to do more deals consistently. What you will get in this new mini course / update, which comes with the full courses on wholesaling houses and apartment buildings, is how to market your butt off to generate more leads, which turns into deals, which turns into checks in your bank account. So you're going to have an opportunity to get the courses only at a significant discount, but also an option to upgrade to get coaching directly from me through one deal that we split at a significant discount. So if you want to take advantage of this special offer, tap the link in the description and or the comment section of this particular video if you're on YouTube. Cyber Monday. Thanks, and I will see you on the flip side.